Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Guys, can you imagine that your band score increases in IELTS by 1 band without taking IELTS exam again? Absolutely. This video is all about inquiry on results. What is inquiry on results? You receive your IELTS result. You are dissatisfied with your IELTS result and you have a strong belief that you deserve better band score, then Cambridge University provides you an option that is called inquiry on results, and inquiry on results may increase your band score or otherwise your band score remains same. Okay, there are only two options, either increase or remain same, right? It does not decrease your band score. There is some fee, not some fee, there is handsome fee for inquiry on result, and if EOR is successful, band score changes, they refund your money. If EOR is unsuccessful, band score does not change, your money is gone. So this student of mine from India received listening 7.5, reading 6 band, writing band score was 6.5 and speaking band score was also 6.5. Now he was not happy with his writing and speaking band score. By the way, EOR is not very effective on listening and reading, but EOR may be effective if you perform well in your actual IELTS exam on writing and on speaking. So he applied EOR on writing and speaking. His writing band score did not change, but his speaking band changed. Guys, can you imagine? His speaking band changed from 6.5 to 7.5. Imagine one examiner conducting his IELTS speaking test gives him 6.5. Another examiner, senior examiner says, no, not 6.5, honey, give him 7.5. So, this is how his band score increased, and 1 band increment means this also improves overall band score. Now his overall band score is 7, listening 7.5, reading 6, writing 6.5, speaking 7.5. So the purpose of making this video is to let you know that there is one option called EOR, and EOR can save you. EOR can help you achieve your desired band without appearing in IELTS second time. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.